I will show you how to create a car like this. Not a simple car like that. Okay. You need no. Block of coal, red wool, brick stairs, and slab. Oh, like that. That is a car and a trapdoor you will need. Okay. Step 1. We will try this. I got okay. 1, 2, 3. And you put like a red wool like that. 1, 2, 3. And like that. 1, 1, 2. You place block of coal there. 2 block of coal in there. And stone bricks there and there, and yeah, like that. And you put stone slab there. You will make then oh wait like that. Okay. Oh, what the fuck. Holy shit. Okay, that's a car. That's a simple car. That's a simple car. This is my McDonald's and Jollibee. This is a car. Plus I car are created. Goodbye, guys.